Tonight. So, Joseph, traveling conditions, as we've been saying, are getting worse. Are you still seeing people out there on the roads?
Yeah, there's a few cars, Sean, and good evening to the both of you. All you have to really do is look at the roads to understand why Metro made this decision. Here, let me step out of the way because there's a car coming by. This is M Street in Georgetown. Certainly not the biggest street in Washington, D.C. by any means, but it's the main street through Georgetown, and I can't even tell that there's a road here. There's more snow than there is road or asphalt. So you can easily see why Metro made that decision, and hopefully they will be open to back up Metro buses at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. This is what M Street looks like. Check out what the 14th Street Bridge looked like. I took out my phone. We were kind of racing a Metro train that was crossing the Yellow Line Bridge there. And you can see, I mean, the 14th Street Bridge is a major bridge, a major highway connecting Virginia and D.C. And it was still covered in snow just a couple of minutes ago when we took that video. Now, here's what Metro's general manager and CEO Randy Clark said when he was asked about what Metro is going to look like this week. Take a listen.
We've had a really rough patch here of cold weather, and coming up, I think it's going to be almost historic days. Like Tuesday, we're very concerned about. So very cold weather could actually lead to potential rail breaks. So rail, like a piece of metal, obviously expand and contract, and this weather is very extreme.
I don't know if any of you guys watching saw this, but last week, at least 2 times on the Metro system, train tracks literally cracked because of how cold it is. The good news is Metro is able to fix those pretty quickly, but still it can put a delay in your ride. So no Metro bus whatsoever. We're standing outside of a Metro bus stop right now here in Georgetown. No Metro bus between now and 6 a.m. tomorrow because of this right here. Metro Rail is going to open up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and it's going to operate on a Sunday schedule, not a Monday schedule, ladies. So 6 o'clock in the morning, trains are going to run a little slower than they typically do, but Metro Rail isn't closing at all. It's just Metro Bus tonight. Right now, no more Metro buses driving across the DMV until 6 a.m. tomorrow.
Listen, if that's what M Street looks like, imagine what some of the smaller streets look like in Georgetown and other neighborhoods.
Because that is a mess out there right now.
Very dangerous.
That's why Metro stops. So
this
stay
ain't no secondary street here, ladies.
Right.
M Street.
We know. All right, Joseph, thank you.